stuff, man, on this ice cream truck. Ice cream truck, man. I haven't seen this stuff in like since I was a kid. That's it. That's okay, man. Whatever they have, man. What's going on with this car, man?
Please.
So how much do we owe you?
6. This one?
6.
Okay.
How much 6?
$6. I have nothing, Mom. Only my credit card. Come on, Simone, please. God, man. It's a nightmare with this kid, dude. It's Good Humor Truck. I love it, dude. Good Humor Truck. So what we're gonna do?
Come on, pay for it.
Oh, $6. Why didn't she said she has money and then she goes over there and now doesn't have any. Yeah, I get $6 we owe. Man, he trusts us. He's gonna have to wait. Yeah, he got his money, man. How much? $20? Yeah, $30 for 4 things. God, they make a killing, man. These ice cream trucks, man. Good Humor. I haven't seen that since I was a kid. That kind of truck. I want that Batman, and I'm gonna get it. Both of them. You eat grass. You eat ice cream grass, man. I love you, man. You eat ice cream grass, man.
$6.
You owe him $6, man.
Take one. Take one.
Take
one.
I have credit cards, man. They don't take credit cards. I'll come with you. Let's go. Yeah, let me get it, man. Wait, aren't you coming with us?
Say, come on.
Go with her.
I'll bring it to him. Here, Joey.
Thank you. My Batman. I cannot believe it. Oh, no. What are you doing to me? Is it still going? Okay, open it up, man. I want to get the... No.